Lambda Bricks is a visual representation of code. We think of it as a front-end for functional programming languages. Functions are represented as bricks and constants as circles. Let's see how we can write our own functions. We will write the function inside this gray brick. It has two inputs represented by these squares and one output. We will write an XOR gate. An XOR gate works with Boolean inputs and returns true when the inputs are different and false when inputs are equal. Clicking on the circles that are the function inputs shows a dialog where we can see the type and the value of the input. Notice how each type has its own color. Boolean is purple, list is yellow, etc. The inputs of our first test will be of type Boolean, one with true value and the other one with false value. Notice how the value of true has a blue color and the value of false has a red color. I can click on the gray brick and add another unit test. This second test will have type Boolean and value true for both of the inputs. I will use already defined bricks of the Boolean logic module to implement my function. By clicking on the brick I want, it gets added inside the function I am writing. I will start by adding an OR brick. I can drag the brick to position it. I know that I need to connect both inputs of my function to this brick. I create a connection by clicking on two slots, an input slot and an output slot. And then I need to connect the output of this OR brick to the first input of an AND brick. And the output of the AND brick will be the output of our function. Also, we need to make sure that both of the inputs are true, so I need to connect both of the inputs to an AND brick, and then the output of the AND brick to a NOT brick. So this checks that both inputs are not true. Everything evaluates live as soon as the brick has values for all of its inputs in all the unit tests we have. We can see that the function is doing what we want. If the inputs are different, the result is true, and if the inputs are equal, the result is false. The first application of the project will be to teach programming. Some of the benefits are that a person just focuses on programming concepts and avoid fighting with problems related to syntax like forgetting a comma, parentheses, etc. As this is just a front end, we can translate everything to different spoken languages. That will make learn to program easier for non-English speakers. Later applications will be in helping debugging, refactoring, and navigating code. The project is open source and free for non-commercial use, and the link is on the description of the video. All comments are welcome in the video or in the GitHub repo. Thanks for watching.